Let's move on to the next topic. Actually, this is Logit_bias setting. So Logit bias setting is in computers that helps them write better messages. Okay. It works by telling the computer which words or ideas are more important or less important. So you need to understand whatever prompt you are sending, you can tell the system, okay, so give more weightage to these terms, these terminologies, these words, and give less weightage to some of the terminologies. So let's say they are giving the examples. Here I have given the examples. If I want to write a computer to write stories about animals, we can tell it to use more positive words like cute and friendly for animals and less positive words like scary and dangerous. Okay, so what we are doing here is we are changing the variable. We are giving the number so that system can understand. I will tell you how to do that. Okay, so in the fifth point, if you see, what I am mentioning is what kind of words are and ideas are important to us. We need to handle that, and we need to mention that upfront. So how we can change the setting? So this is the example. Let's say there is the Indian food. I am talking about some Indian food wherein I want the vegetarian stuff. I want to highlight the vegetarian stuff. What I will do, I have given paneer as 1.0, dal as 0.8, that means greater than 0, okay, positive value. Chana masala 0.5, butter chicken minus 1.0, that means it's a negative, but it's why? Because it's a non-veg. Tandoori chicken minus 0.8, keema minus 0.5. So this is the example that I will provide this kind of value to server so that it can play it accordingly. And if you see here, this is the way we can call model.generate, and this is the prompt whatever user is writing, and then Logit bias value is whatever I have set here on the top, like this. Okay, so I have also explained the same thing which I was telling you right now, that I have given more weightage to paneer, dal and chana masala and less weightage to butter chicken, tandoori chicken. So whenever it will give you result, it will consider this Logit bias parameter, and whatever in the answer, he will use more, he will give more weightage to paneer, chana masala, whatever the vegetarian things, and give response accordingly. Okay.